Hey, good morning, Raja, Rafiq. Good to see you. Good morning, Divakar, Amal, Suresh. Good morning, everyone. Raja is always the first one to join. Good morning, Shashi, Sarvan, Pramod. Good morning, Himanshu. I've done the needful. Thank you. तो आज क्या लग रहा है मार्केट कहाँ जाएगा? गिफ्ट निफ्टी देखते हैं पहले कहाँ पे है. गिफ्ट निफ्टी स्लाइटली वीक. 24336, 24334. Gift Nifty is showing weakness. So we could be opening a little lower. Let's see. If you have gone through my trade plan, then this is where I'm expecting support around 24228. Please remember to like and share the link. Please like and share the link. Thank you. Expecting the pre-open rates very soon. We are closed at 24,302. The pre-open is at 24,213. Oh, that's quite a cut. And 54,560. Okay, on the 213. Okay, very near the support that we had indicated. Let's see. इसका भी retracement लगा देते हैं from this low to this high. Why is this futures? No wonder. Hmm. This is okay. So pre-open is at 213. The range I had mentioned yesterday was between 207 and 231. Pre-open rates. Let me share it on the channel. So 543 points down for Nifty Bank and 88 points down for Nifty. So there is definite weakness. There's no doubt. The question now is, where does it stop? आज फ्राइडे है, last day of the week, and the time cycle is indicating a positivity around 11:30 a.m. 11, sorry, 1:30 p.m. My mistake. 1:30 p.m. ये हमने कल बात की थी, करेक्ट. So तब तक market weak रह सकता है. If at 1:30 the price action is positive, we can again see enough move. But till that time, there's a decent chance of the negativity still being there. What will be the decider today will be where does first hour candle close. That will be the decider. All right. Pramod, it can open below yesterday's low, but more important is how the first hour plays out. Because if the strength is not back within the first hour, then we need to relook at a few things. Andre, no, no, no. Wait, wait. आपने ट्रेड प्लान नहीं देखा है Andre. That's the reason you're asking. Any moment now. Expecting to open somewhere here. 24213. It could retest 207. ये रहा. Exactly. 207 पे retest करके now it is going up. The question is, will it sustain up or it stays down? That's the question. It's wanting to move up, but let's see. If you remember the trade plan, I had said 24207 or 24231 के बीच में support आ सकता है. And it's exactly opened at 24213, made a low of 24203, and is now looking at the possibility of moving up. The super trend is at 24231. This is 15 minutes. Sorry, this is 1 hour. My apologies. This is 15 minutes. यहाँ S2 पे 24208 है और यहाँ पे 200 EMA है. We have to keep everything in the perspective. Oh, by the way, for morning futures, this is the big candle in both cases. Patience is the name of the game. On 1 hour chart, both indices are weak at 47, 48. This is to be noted. First, there is a gap down. There is a gap down here. ये important है note करना. If this gap doesn't get filled, that spells trouble. बहुत छोटा सा गैप बैंक निफ्टी में भी है. The low is 815.9, high is 817. नहीं, यहाँ नहीं है. बैंक निफ्टी में नहीं. It's there in Nifty. So this is going, I think now it could take support at 24171. But understand that this is morning. How this pans out within the first 1 hour and on closing basis is where we will take a decision. कई बार ऐसा होता है that you get a gap down and then gap, after some time the market finds a base and then it moves up and covers that gap. So anything can happen. So we cannot make a judgment at this stage, except that for one thing is clear that there is weakness right now. I'm marking the intraday gap here also. This activity helps us in understanding where are the buyers and sellers sitting. Twenty-four two hundred. 24,200 is coming under pressure. Bank Nifty sustaining for the time being. What's the trending OI for Nifty? Call writers are stronger. And what's the trending OI for Bank Nifty? Again, call writers are stronger. So both indices are obviously under pressure. So my initial thought was that we could add here, but it all depends upon this thing, how this thing shapes out in the first hour. We have to see a base formation and an upward move. So we have this here. This is across time frames, Nifty, and this is how I will mark the gap so that we are aware of where the resistance will be on the up move whenever that comes. And we are ready with this kind of a gap marked. Here we are. First 5 minutes are gone. For Bank Nifty, this is what I will mark. This is intraday gap. And we have a support appearing at 200 EMA for Bank Nifty on 15 minutes charts. There is a support at 52,397 also. Remember that level, that was the target when we were going up. So एक यहाँ पे भी है, even if it breaks, this is where there's an expectation of support. Now, this is in the futures for morning trade. 24263 is the S2. यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा support बनता हुआ दिख रहा है. First signs we are seeing. Will this sustain? That is the question. I'm looking at the futures chart. Will this sustain or will this give in? Similar support we are seeing in Bank Nifty also. 52629. First support coming in at S2 here and S2 here. What is HDFC doing? Bank doing? Ah, we got the culprit. We have managed to get the culprit. Hold करिए, इसको थोड़ा करेक्ट कर लें. और ये रहा HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is at a fair support right now. If I disable this chart, let me hide this tool and plot a possible support. Okay. The support is around 1710 for HDFC Bank. 1710. Which means there could be some more pain left, and then we can expect a possible stability. That's also the time when I think Nifty could touch 24171. Let's draw retracement from here to here. The same retracement so that we understand 24171 5 मिनट चार्ट पे कहाँ आएगा. ये रहा 5 मिनट चार्ट राइट में, और ये है 15 minutes chart. This is hourly, this is daily. So the same retracement is appearing across all time frames. Synchronized hai. I have enabled the synchronization, so it gives me the support of 24171 visible across all time frames. And the reversal, as and when it comes, should be visible clearly on the smallest time frame first. That means 5 minutes. Fantastic, Suresh. Just saw your message. 50 points. Bank Nifty, very good. Shabash. Yes, HDFC is bleeding. Yes, you're right. That's what I showed, Raja. Um, this is where it is. I showed HDFC Bank here. And, oops, sorry. You're right. You're right. I missed that. I missed that. Then the support will probably come at 1636. Thank you for the update. 1668 and 16637. Oh, that could be bad, yeah. That could be bad, but there is a possible intermediate support here. It's not showing up. It may be on a smaller time frame chart. एक घंटे पे देखते हैं. 30 minutes. It's already at 200 EMA support. Possibly it might bounce. Let's see. 30 right now. 1657 is an intermediate support here. Hmm. Nifty, is it taking a support or is it still going down? 24,171 is the level that I'm expecting it to take support. Let's see. And Bank Nifty is also moving down. So the strike that we were talking yesterday, there is a good entry possibility at 307. Look at the support possible, 24171. It has to sustain and start making the higher highs. See, one thing is sure that it will not go down vertically. Somewhere there will be a support, and the support is showing up. Bank Nifty has clearly found a support at 52324, and it's trying to move up. This is early time frame. Nifty is apparently found a support at 24171. Intraday Nifty Bank has got support at S3 52285. 124 points in Bank Nifty in morning trade, Raja. Fantastic, superb. Servan captured 50 points in Bank Nifty put. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Okay, 24171 giving us some kind of a support. 2 minutes to go, and then we need to see how does the next candle start moving up. Will we get 307 here? Look at this. Will it move up finally? Signs of probable bottom formation here. 52397 is what I was expecting. 52397 is where we are likely to get a support, because if this breaks, then there is trouble. Then there is trouble. Okay, so this is now the reference point 24171. Hopefully, this low should be respected. $935. What do we want? We want a close ideally above 24281. 281 के ऊपर close चाहिए, which is 100 point up. But you never know. It is definitely difficult. But if that happens, we know exactly what is to be done. On the daily time frame, we are seeing a possible down move, and on hourly time frame, it is already confirmed down move. If that happens, then we know what to initiate, and that is what we have been waiting for, picking up the start. Let's see. First hour, 936. Will this support be respected? A small group of 50 traders, can we all put a like? Can we all put a small like here? Thank you so much. Nifty seems to be looking at the possible support and moving up. It has to move up 24208. A closing above that would indicate a possible up move. 2 minutes to go. 2 मिनट के अंदर 208 के ऊपर क्लोज होना चाहिए. What is HDFC Bank doing on 15 minutes? HDFC Bank is near 1657 support. Reliance is now looking up. ICICI Bank is trying to stabilize. And the fourth biggest contributor to the index, Infosys, is also trying to stabilize. So Infi and ICICI Bank trying to stabilize, Reliance looking up. It's just the bank, it's just the HDFC Bank that has to figure out, and it should, because if you see the RSI for HDFC Bank is right now highly oversold to 7.49 RSI yesterday. So this is giving us the hint that there is a possibility of a pullback. And that can initiate on a close above 24208. This is the importance of RMPS, risk management with position sizing. If you're over invested, you will panic. But if your position size is correct, then you will not panic. Then you will know exactly, okay, it's okay. This is what the cut is, manageable, because we need not go right all the time. We do go wrong sometimes, but we should keep our position size in that way that we are able to handle the situation. It's knocking at the doors of 208. Support here, Infi support at support, ICICI Bank at support, Reliance at support, HDFC Bank. What is stopping you? 208 is what Nifty has to cross on time, 5 minute time frame. 'It is trying. We have to wait for a close above 208, not a trade above 208. It has already traded above 208, but the close for this candle has to be above 208. That would be really helpful for a possible move up to 24261. 942. It's trading at 24213. Will it manage to close above 208? It is looking more and more likely now. So it did find a support. It made dodgy kind of a candle here at 930. And this is the reason why I say that morning trades you should be exiting out by 930, because that's when the trend could reverse. This is the classic example of trend reversing at 930. 2 minutes to go. Will it hold on above 208? On a daily chart and hourly chart also, Nifty is right now in some kind of a dodgy formation. Remember, we want a close above 260, sorry, to above 281 in the first hour. Else, we would consider the trend has changed on the downside. Did you observe that the support came exactly at the level indicated, 24171? So it is important to understand how to use the retracement tool and plot these levels between the pivots and other levels. They help you understand where is the support. Very precisely, it has come at 24171. 24171.25 was the support plotted and it has come at 24,170.35. Now 24228 will act as a resistance and this needs to be crossed on closing basis. First attempt may not succeed, but let's see what does the second attempt say. 5 seconds to go. Unlikely. But what does the next candle say? Next candle could come down to 207 and then make an attempt to go up. 945. Yes, Andre, it's crossed 208, but the next line to be crossed on the way up is 24228 on closing basis, which should take it to almost 250, 250 or 260. But first, it may retrace back to this 207, 208 level and then start the up move again. So you're seeing now it has started making higher highs. 5 minutes. I'm referring to 5 minutes in the spot chart for Nifty. Bank Nifty is still ये जंगलों में खोया हुआ है कहीं पे. It's trying to figure out what to do because it is entirely dependent upon HDFC Bank. So let's focus on Nifty, which is a fair indication of 50 stocks. Market is oversold on 5 minutes. Its RSI is at 32. It should attempt to reach 40. On 15 minutes charts also, it is around 33. On the hourly chart, it is very near 50. This also, if you keep an eye on this, you'll also start understanding where the supports could be. 30 minutes, it's around 40. So across time frames, how does it behave? As I said, it will come down to take support at 208 and then resume the up move to 228. इसका behavior आप समझिए, then you will be able to trade. Otherwise, you will continue panicking. My focus is it should, if it closes above 24231, this is a super trend in 1 hour. Nifty. If in the first hour, if it closes above 24231, then there is a fair chance of it going up. And uske liye, let me remove this wala tool for a minute and plot the next retracement. And that will be from this high to this low. And we'll figure out that it has to now move. It has to now move. Let's stay focused here. Above this super trend, and these are the levels to be crossed. So 24285 will be a sizable resistance. और हमारे को 24281 के ऊपर क्लोज चाहिए. Let's see what happens. So we'll keep this as a reference now because it's trying to move up. Till the time this low is not broken, we need to focus on this retracement now. ये बात समझने वाली है. It's come back. It has come back down to 408. This is where it is taking support. ये अगर टूट गया वापस तो then we are in trouble. Then the bears are taking control. लेकिन अगर ये respect होता है and then it starts moving up again, then 228 could be taken out. If you notice, this 228 is exactly what our retracement is telling us, and this is where exactly the Nifty went and came down. Now it has to cross above 228. ये बार बार करेंगे, रोज प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, तब आपको आइडिया लगेगा लाइव मार्केट में और how you to change as per the retracements as per the direction. ये ऑन द फ्लाई समझ में आता है. वेट फॉर इट. So we will stick to this retracement for now till the time the current low is respected. If the low is broken, then we'll go back to the previous retracement जहाँ पे 171 की नीचे की levels आएंगी. What has this made? This has made an inside bar. Is it a pause or a reversal? The current candle will tell us the current candle information. अगर आप सारा दिन कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठते हैं तो इसका बिहेवियर को स्टडी करिए. How do candles form and how does the price action shape up? Your observations will be very helpful in your trades. Don't just look at 3 minute charts and figure out, and always have a bigger perspective. This is a bigger perspective. ये डेली चल रहा है. इसको भी अगर बार वीकली पर निकाल देते हैं तो दिस इज अ आज वीक खत्म हो रहा है. ये टुडे वीक इज एंडिंग टुडे, राइट? निफ्टी में इज देयर अ नेगेटिविटी? नो. इट्स जस्ट यू नो व्हाट यू कॉल reaction to this resistance level of 24367. एंड वो कहां तक गिरेगा और उसके बाद वहां से रिवर्स करना फिर शुरू हो सकता है. सो वी आर वेटिंग फॉर दैट. 24367 एक रेजिस्टेंस था, सॉलिड रेजिस्टेंस था, और आकर के ये यहां तक गिरा है. जब तक कि वीकली बेसिस पे अगले वीक में 24999 यानी 24,000 के नीचे नहीं बंद होता अगला वीक, तब तक हम लोग नहीं मानेंगे कि मार्केट में नेगेटिविटी. सो वी कम बैक एट दिस चार्ट. 5 minutes. ये अप मूव में करेक्शन होना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर टाइमली प्रॉफिट नहीं बुक होता है तो बबल बस्ट हो सकता है. टाइमली प्रॉफिट बुकिंग इज अ वेरी हेल्दी थिंग. This low has been made and chances are it should be respected, and if it does, then we could be looking at the possibility of up move. 952, some 20 odd minutes to close for the first hour. आपके मैसेजेस नहीं आ रहे हैं या और इज दिस chat has this chat frozen or all of you are busy in your own trades? So this low is being, it's coming near the low. Will it get broken or will it be respected? अगर नेक्स्ट लो स्विंग का ये स्विंग आई है नीचे, फिर ये स्विंग गया टॉप बना इसका यहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली हमारे लेवल पे. अब इस स्विंग का लो अगर रिस्पेक्ट होता है देन इट इज गोइंग टू मूव अप. अदरवाइज अगर ये रिस्पेक्ट नहीं होता है देन इट इज गोइंग डाउन. सो दिस इज द डिसाइडर. 24170 current low. Pressure is there on the downside. Sandeep, good to observe sometimes. I'm also observing. Chandra, let's see what happens. Noted, Rutvik, coming back to the charts. So far, this low is respected. 13 seconds to go. And the candle closes. So far, the respect is there for the low 9:55. 20 minutes for the candle to close 10:15. We will watch it today. See, look at the 15-minute candle. It is trying to make a base around this. अगर ये यहीं पे बेस बनाने के बाद if it breaks up to 28, then this is a good base made. But if this low is broken, then this will create a sizable resistance for the further up move whenever that comes. So this is an important, यहाँ पे अच्छी खासी खरीदारी चल रही है, खरीद बेच चल रहा है, यहाँ पे एक अच्छा मार्केट बन गया है. Lot of buyers and sellers sitting here. Who will finally win is what will happen in the times to come. It's broken. It's tested, not broken as yet, but it is tested. What I'll do is I'll move this retracement now and correct this a little bit. इसने जो range extend की है, oh, it's going down. Let's see. We have a possible support here, 24165. Okay. Close is what matters. It's not, this low is slightly lower than this one, but it is the close that matters. और इस कैंडल की शेप आपको काफी कुछ खबर दे देगी जो कैंडल अभी बन रही है 5 मिनट चार्ट में. दिस इज व्हाट यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन. So if you jump and take a put trade here, thinking that this low is broken now, it will go down, you could be caught in very bad situation. Wait for the close. Bank Nifty is all over the place, not trying to figure out क्या करना है. All writers are still strong in both indices. What are the open interest statistics telling us? Why stats? Why stats for Nifty? Call writers are stronger, and for Bank Nifty, also the call letters are stronger. 18 seconds to go. Is it looking like a hammer? 5 minutes, Nifty, spot. Not really a hammer, but still a positive candle. It's like a hammer, correct. Which means there are twice this has tested this level of 24168, which is the new low, and 24171, that was the broadly the level that we had plotted in the beginning. So twice it has tested. Now this is likely to be a good support. Okay, the first thing we can expect right now on the way up is that it should go and hit 24226. But 24226 is okay, but what we are looking at is a close above 24281. ये बेस बन चुका है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये बेस बन गया है. Now with this base formation, we are likely to see 24208 and then 24226. But we are looking for 24281, which is this level 24284. HDFC seems to be forming a base here, 1657. The moment it forms a base, and it is highly oversold, an RSI of 789, it can give a sharp pullback. It can give a sharp pullback because Reliance is on a strength in 15 minutes time frame, and both these Infosys and ICICI Bank are at support. Will this support of 1657 make any difference for HDFC Bank? That is what we need to see. Time cycles, Mahesh. Check out Hearst time cycles on internet. You will find stuff there. You have to figure out PDFs that are few hundreds, if not more pages. There is no simple shortcut. 20 years invested in the stock market, my friend. You need not learn too many things. Simple few things are good enough for you to make money. My theory is I don't want to be a PhD in stock markets. It's okay not to know many things. As long as you are able to make money, that's fine. आज मुझे बहुत कम लाइक दिख रहे हैं. Can I request everyone to place a like on this live session, please? Thank you for the needful, Mahesh. That's not part of my coaching program as yet. Whenever it is going to be, I will let you guys know. But I do cover a lot of other things which are good enough for people to understand how to trade and go in green. I will be sharing the outcome of the last three programs, which means all the programs that I've done in this year, and the results are very, very encouraging. The more time it spends here, the faster is the chances of rebound. मार्केट ने सुन ली बात मेरी क्या? हम्म? The first resistance to be crossed is 208, and then the next one is 226. Will we get 208 plus in this candle? Almost 3 minutes to go. 10:07. 8 more minutes for this candle to go. I think let's look at this situation right now. Chances are we may not go up to 3231, but in the first within 10:15, and that is not a great news for positional calls. If that doesn't happen, but that also means that when the market goes up, it will go up. So we need not exit out. If someone is in the call position, we need not exit out immediately at 10:15 because उसके ऊपर जाएगा. But somewhere it is likely to face resistance, and the resistance will be around 260, जो आज का high है. And from there we can take a new positions as the situation develops. At this moment, it is looking very difficult for the market to close above 231. Time remaining is less. We have what 7 odd minutes, and that is what we need to take a decision. 208 has been touched. It may be taken out, but I'm expecting 10:15 tak at best we will hit 226. And market will have to, we have to bear with the market till 1:30 p.m. today. No action either on call side or put side right now. So we have to wait till 1:30 p.m. If at this time the price action is positive, that is when we can expect some kind of a up move. Bank Nifty's next cycle time is not in this week, so we can relax on that part. But Nifty ka hai. 208 has been touched, tested, and it should break within this candle, I guess. While all of us are here, I would like to once again announce tomorrow, 11 o'clock, we have a special session from Mr. Gopi Krishna on planning your future, financial planning for your future. Registration is required. Details have already been shared on the Telegram. Please register if you haven't done so. And the link will be shared just before the program, just like today. I'm trying to have a recording available for you on the YouTube. If that works, you will be able to see that. Otherwise, if that doesn't work, then at least if you participate, you will have a lot of questions regarding your finances answered. And subsequently, you can also book a one-to-one interaction with him. The details will be shared after the discussion. It's 11 to 1 tomorrow. The link will be shared with you on your email ID as well as on Telegram. Two 208 seems to be on the verge of being taken out. 212, only 3 minutes to go. 1 hour candle complete hone wali hai, and it's nowhere near 281 that we had expected. So we have some kind of a weakness that's established. Any action for us? Not yet. Will the market move up? Very likely. Till where will it go? Till 260. The possibility is there till 260. We'll have to see the price action developing around 260 to figure out will it go up or will it fall again. So 208 has been taken out and 226 will be tested now. What is HDFC Bank doing? HDFC Bank, it's not the HDFC Bank, it's the Reliance that is leading the recovery. HDFC Bank is still struggling at 6.88 RSI. Kamal hai. On the 15 minutes. Anyway, thank you, Reliance, for bringing it up to 226. 224.7 has been touched. So it's almost 226. यहाँ तक जाएगा उसके बाद फिर रेड कैंडल बनाएगा. That is how it works. It doesn't go up non-stop. It will make a red candle after touching this 226, come down. It can even come down all the way here, but it can come down a little bit here and then resume the uptrend. The next target to catch will be 246. It's breaking through 226, which is good news. So छोटे time frame पे candlestick pattern को देखना is important because now you see this was hammer kind of a candle that was made at 955 and that led to recovery, and this was twice this level was tested, which means this is now a strong support, and from here one can look at a recovery. Intraday, there was a trade here, there was a trade here, but I do not recommend trading beyond 9:45. So because there are a lot of uncertainties and the momentum is normally missing. So 226 has been hit with a high of 231. Thoda sa, it's 10:15 now. The candle is done. Now, थोड़ा सा pushback आएगा. You'll start seeing some kind of a red candle now, which will turn into green as we go up ahead. Wait and watch. And if the red is not there, this is even better. 2426, 24246 is the next target. Mahesh, I just read your message. How many hours do you sleep? Very difficult to say. Anywhere between 4 to 8 hours depends on the time available. Yeah, last few days I have slept very less comparatively. Do I learn about stock market? It's all about passion, my friend. अगर आपका passion है किसी चीज के लिए, then passion drives your learning. But if you want to learn because you just have to learn, or you're just thinking, anything that is worthwhile will come out only when you invest worthwhile time into it. If you see a red candle coming up, is this not what I said? You will see some bit of red and then the up move will continue. You will see some red and then the green will form and it is likely to hit 24246. So market moves from level to level. If you understand this, you can peacefully trade intraday में ये 10, 15, 20, 25 पॉइंट निकालना बहुत आसान है. You can make the SL of this candle is low and continue trading till this line, this level of 246, and that's fine. तो ये तो बहुत कोई भी कर सकता है. But options trading में you need to understand you need momentum. This is not linear. Your theta decay comes into play. This is the 15-minute charts. I will also use a rectangle to plot the gap here for future reference. Locked. Next one here to here and locked. This is it. This helps us in understanding where are the levels. So 1 hour time frame super trend is broken, but then there will be a relief up move. 228 for now is acting as a resistance. Oh my god, that is important. Something that I missed. 228 is a 50% retracement. It has to end the next hour above 228. Otherwise, we could go back to 24171. Okay, let's see. 1 hourly close में तो अभी बहुत time पड़ा है. We still have 55 minutes to go, but we have to keep an eye on 228, 226, 228. Red candle as expected. Thank you for the call, Mahesh, requesting everyone to hit the like button. Many of you have done that. I've noticed many of you have done that. Still, few have not. And this is the appeal to them. I'm making an effort to explain you the finer nitty-gritties of the trading. Does not cost you anything. Just click a like button. That's it. I'm seeing 28 likes as of now, and there are 26 on the stream right now. So some of them have liked and moved out. At one point in time, I was seeing 30 plus. I don't know exactly when was that, but that was it. So thank you very much for your likes. Thank you very much. I think 10:15 we have seen how the first candle has formed. There will be an up move. Do not worry. I have a feeling that this is twice this level has been tested, so this should hold hopefully. And 2 to 6, 2 to 8 levels that we are seeing here are the ones that are likely to act as a resistance. Once this is taken out, the up move, next up move will be up to 246. Anywhere between 246 to 261, we could see resistance for the further up move, and that could take the time up to 130 or so. And then we have to watch what is the price action developing at that time. Thank you so much for your time, ladies and gentlemen. Early morning, gently reminding you about the upcoming session tomorrow for Mr. Gopi Krishna for your financial planning. If you have been wanting me to organize session because he's very closely known to me, and I said that I'll try my best. Now that it is available, please do not miss out. It is in your own interest. Please do not miss out. And here are the details. More details will be available on the Telegram channel. It's already shared on the Telegram channel, including the registration link. Registration link is also there in the PDF. So please click on that and register. Feel free to share it with your friends and family and everybody in your network, maybe also in your office, because people want to plan their future, their finances, their retirement, their children education, children's um, you know education, children's marriage, whatever. So all that he will cover in his 1 hour talk, and there will be 1 hour Q&A session. I think that's all I can say. Rest is up to you. It's completely complimentary. Thank you so much for your time, ladies and gentlemen. We are closing this broadcast. Thank you so much. Have a great day.